Here's how you can retire with $1 million in only 4 steps. Step 1, determine when you want to retire. The best retirement age is when your retirement savings and Social Security can produce 75% of your pre-retirement salary or better. Step 2, utilize a fixed indexed annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit to protect your assets and provide you with a contractually guaranteed income for the rest of your life. The annuity will automate your retirement savings, guaranteeing a paycheck until the day you die. This can save you thousands of dollars paid to a financial advisor or institution. In most scenarios, this method will provide you with more income than an advisor would provide you as well. Any remaining funds in the account will be passed down to beneficiaries. In this example, the $1 million annuity highlighted in green will provide $77,500 annually for the rest of the retiree's lifetime, starting at age 65. The annuity continues to pay the retiree after the account runs out of money, highlighted in red. In this second example, you can see this annuity will provide $67,346 annually and increases to $91,800 by age 77. This increasing payout method helps keep up with inflation and maintain a lifestyle through retirement. You can visit the Annuity Expert to use our free annuity calculator to forecast your retirement income. Step 3, purchase a long-term care annuity. This annuity will instantly double or triple your investment for a tax-free long-term care benefit. For example, a $50,000 long-term care annuity could instantly provide $100,000 or $150,000 toward nursing home, assisted living, or in-home care expenses. This is not use it or lose it insurance. Any remaining funds will be passed down to beneficiaries. Step 4, buy affordable life insurance to protect your surviving spouse. At 65, you can purchase a $100,000 20-year term life insurance policy for as little as $100 a month. You can use our free life insurance quoting tool to find the best policy for your budget. You can also fill out a contact form and one of our agents will contact you. In conclusion, retiring with $1 million isn't just a dream but a tangible goal with the right strategy. By following these 4 comprehensive steps, determining your ideal retirement age, utilizing a fixed indexed annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, investing in a long-term care annuity, and securing affordable life insurance to protect your loved ones, you can pave the way for a financially secure and worry-free retirement. Now you've optimized for retirement income, long-term care, and financial protection for your spouse. Contact us for a free quote. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit the Annuity Expert, link in the description.